Hello friends, I am back. If I look the exact same as my other video, it's because I am the exact same. I'm just filming them back to back. I just put all this makeup on and now I'm going to take it off less than 20 minutes later. So, today, as you know from the title, we are reviewing the Glow Recipe Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm Makeup Melting Plus Smoothing. Now, I have already used this a couple times without makeup on, and I wanted to use it prior just so this wasn't like a first impressions. I don't find skincare first impressions the most helpful, so I wanted to actually have a little usage under my belt. I haven't worn makeup the last couple days because my skin A is in an absolute state, and B, I got my brows laminated, and you're not supposed to like get them wet or put makeup on them or anything for like 24 to 48 hours, and that was a very high stress situation for me. So this guy here, he is yay big. This is heavy also. It's like, it's meaty. It means business. So this is a cleansing balm. It says that it can melt off your makeup, or you can just use it on bare skin. It does also come with a little spatula that you can use for sanitary purposes, so you're not just dunking your fingers in there. This was $42 Canadian, so I'm guessing it's like $35 to $40 US. I do have the Sephora little blurb up in front of me here. So this is for normal combination dry and oily skin types. It doesn't say sensitive. I'm assuming because of the enzymes, as well as this does have added fragrance. I'm not super offended by added fragrance in wash-off products. It's kind of whatever, so it smells nice. It's on your skin for like a minute. It won't kill you. It's okay. So the highlighted ingredients, what this bad boy is bragging about, is the papaya enzymes to smooth, resurface, and soothe, the papaya seed oil to hydrate, as well as the blueberry extract for environmental protection, which is basically just antioxidant protection. This also is Clean at Sephora certified, again, if that is the kind of labeling that gets your rocks off. Clean beauty is not regulated by any means, so do with that information what you will, but this is also vegan and cruelty free. Now I'm gonna read the little blurb on the box here. So, melt stubborn makeup and smooth skin from the start of your routine with this PEG free cleansing balm. This plant-based hydrating sorbet effortlessly dissolves makeup oil and SPF while resurfacing the skin with natural enzymatic, actively soothing papaya extract and papaya seed oil. Mixed with antioxidant-rich blueberry, this formula transforms from a cushiony balm to a milky oil, leaving skin fresh and hydrated. Chef's kiss. So like I said, I have used this on bare skin, no makeup, just with like regular SPF on. This is good for removing SPF because, as you know, you do need oil to break down your sunscreen to remove. Don't forget. So using this just on bare skin was still like a really nice experience. My skin felt clean, but by no means stripped. And if you're somebody that gets, you know those little bumpies that you get on your nose? They're not blackheads. The sebaceous filaments. There it is. Okay, 12 years later. You know how sometimes you'll clean your face with something that doesn't do that good of a job and you can still feel them all there? Like it doesn't feel clean? I don't have that feeling with this, and that's even after just like a single cleanse with this. I only double cleanse if I'm actually wearing makeup. So this does clean the skin very well. There's no residue. So you know how like say with some oil cleansers or balms, like the Drunk Elephant Balm Cleanser is like awful for this. There's a heavy film when you use that one. This leaves no film whatsoever. You don't feel anything on your skin. Your skin just feels a little bit more hydrated. Nothing crazy. Now it does say on the research results here, on 32 subjects after 2 weeks, 100% agreed that this balm removed their long wear and stubborn makeup. Also 100% agreed that the balm doesn't leave their skin feeling stripped or tight. Very, very nice. So I'm going to be using this. I'm wearing waterproof mascara. I'm wearing my L'Oreal Lash Paradise, so that'll be a really good test for that. But overall, so far I'm very happy with this. We'll see how it removes the makeup. We'll see how that goes. But I do think this is a really nice product. There is also apricot kernel oil in here, as well as camellia seed. Oh, it's natural fragrance. That's why I can't find it listed specifically. So it's just fragrance from the ingredients. There's also strawberry fruit extracts in here. Now, in terms of like synthetic fragrance versus natural fragrance, either way it's fragrance. So if it's something that you want to avoid, either way, I don't see why brands market it as being different. It's all the same. But with that, let's just get started. Oh, those came off so good. Ooh, I feel fantastic. Now I have a bowl of water, and I also have just like a microfiber towel because I'm still gonna wet to remove, but obviously I'm not in front of my sink. So I'm just gonna like wet my hands and wet the towel, and then I have a secondary towel for drying purposes. Now I'm gonna pin back my little curly boys here, get them out of the way. This is awful. Oh, it looks so bad. Okay, as you can see, there's already a little bit missing out of here because like I said, I've been using it. We're gonna scoop some out. I'm gonna use a little bit more than I did yesterday and the day before just because I am wearing makeup. So we've got about that much, and I'm gonna warm that up in my fingertips. I'm gonna kind of like distribute it, if you will. And then I'm gonna go in, you know? We're just gonna... Oh, this is hilarious. I look so good. Let's get all up in the hairline. If you're like me and you break out really easily on your forehead, do not neglect your hairline because you know what I mean when you get those little pimples in there and you can't even put like a pimple patch on them because they're literally in your hair. Oh, this is taking off my mascara like so easily. Wow, I'm surprised. I look... Hang on, let's just... Let's make it worse. Yeah, I took off my mascara really easily, actually. So I'm just gonna massage this in for a couple more seconds. The fragrance is like pretty prominent when you have it on your skin. Like you can really smell it as you're using it. It smells like papaya and apricot. Especially because the apricot oil is like, I think the third or fourth ingredient. I'm not surprised. Because you can really smell it. So I think we're pretty well melted. So I'm gonna wet my hands here to turn this into a more milky situation. This is my first time getting my brows wet since I got them done. Yeah, so as you guys can see, this gets like a little bit more milky. It's lighter on my hands. And I'm gonna wet my little face towel here. I have never looked better on the internet than I look right now. Let me tell you. My little microfiber towel here. And remove. So obviously it's coming off. Don't forget the neck. I didn't really want to put it down onto my neck because I'm not at the sink and I'm wearing a nice shirt. I have such a bad breakout on my forehead. My forehead hurts. And yes, now I am rubbing, but I'm just rubbing lightly, not too hard. And actually something else that I like to do to get the mascara off is I'll kind of blink down onto the towel here so that I'm not really tugging at my eye. So let's zoom in. Hello. I'm just gonna move my light closer to my face here. So this is with one cleanse. I can still see that there's still a little bit of mascara on my eyes. Nothing too crazy, but it's not like totally off. I did use my velour eyeliner and lash glue, so I also got a little bit of that in my lashes. But my skin is clean, clean, clean. I got some dry skin happening over here, but it is all off. No tightness or anything like that, but you can see that like there's still like a little bit of shine to my skin, if that makes sense. So my skin's not stripped at all. But what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a little bit more of the balm and focus it on my eyes, and then I'll give it like another whirl with removing that. So I'm gonna scoop out just a little bit more, kind of like a second cleanse, but for my eyeballs here. And I also was actually kind of confused at first with this because it has the enzymes in it. So I was like, oh, it's definitely gonna be not like eye safe, like it's gonna exfoliate my eyeball, you know what I mean? So I was actually really worried about that. But I actually asked them on Instagram. When it said it removed waterproof makeup, I was like, oh, it must be safe then, because most waterproof makeup is for the eyes. Yeah, there's still more mascara coming off like onto my fingers and everything. So let's see. Let's try again. My delicious bowl of murky water here. Let's try again. Oh yeah, there's more coming off. Okay. But I feel like this is the last of it. And yeah, no burning on my eyes, no nothing. No film over my eyelids. I hate when cleansing oils or balms do that, when like you open your eyes and like you can't see. But yeah, I'm just blinking onto the towel here. Okay, let's check again. There. There we go. That's much better. My eyebrows look all crazy now, but Edie's wet Edie's. I moved the mascara down there. Whoops. Oh, I'm just gonna give my face a little pat. So before I continue talking, I'm gonna get these out of my hair because I look ridiculous. There we go. Okay. So I'm super happy with how that removed my makeup. I'm still gonna do my second cleanse for the evening with my Inkey List BHA cleanser just because I'm trying to get rid of these bad boys. But my skin feels very clean, very smooth. I have that dry skin over here, so it looks a little deceiving over here, but all the makeup is off, I promise. Very happy with how that went, how it removed everything. This is probably my new favorite cleansing balm. Because I've tried Clinique Take the Day Off, I didn't vibe with. I liked the Pharmacy Green Clean. I went through 2 of those and then I just wanted to try new things. MAC Cleanse Off Oil sometimes leaves me feeling dry afterwards. And the Drunk Elephant Cleansing Balm feels gross afterwards. Sorry. So I love this. And this is also huge as well. Let's see. This is 100 mils of product, so it's quite a bit. Super, super cool. And again, as you can see, there's still a little glow to my skin, so I'm not dry. Even the reviews on this are really good. I'm actually just checking the website right now. 4.7 out of 5 stars on Sephora. I want to see, there's 2 1-star reviews. Can I, like, find them? I want to see why somebody would have hated it. The gripe with both of actually the 1-star reviews is the fact that this contains polyethylene, so that is a plastic. Now, debatable. I'm not the most educated on this. Plastic was banned in skincare items in the form of like microbeads because they are not good for the environment. However, this is in a liquid form, so I am not 100% sure on the different environmental factors that would have. I know on their Instagram they were kind of defending it, saying that like it's different, it's safe, it's fine, this and that, because it's not banned, so it's currently marked as safe. Who knows, maybe in a couple years we'll find out that it's not. I'm not sure. But that is what those 2 negative reviews are actually from. Everything else is super positive, so I'm not the only one vibing with it. But for $42, like, I'm very, very happy. I hope I answered all of your questions. I hope this demo was helpful. If you have any more questions about the product, leave them down below for me and I will get to them as soon as I possibly can. And with that, I hope you guys like and subscribe, especially I'd like to get some credit for taking off my makeup on the internet and just putting my naked face out here for all of you. So yeah, like, subscribe, ask any questions you have, let me know what you guys think, and I will see you next time. Bye!